Plank work to build full body strength. Go on your own pace. Come to your hands and knees, cat's breath. Inhale, coil in, exhale, straight back. Align hips and knees, shoulders and wrists. Few more times, warming up the abdominal wall. Prepare for a change. Straight the right leg, tuck the toes under and pulsate. Strong arms, hold, lift the leg, flex the knee, pulsate towards the ceiling. Bring that foot down, lift the opposite leg, plank position. Feel the inner fire you are cultivating. Ready to change sides. Bring the right knee on the floor, flex the left, and pulsate. Keep the pulsations going. Don't collapse those shoulders. Straight the leg, bring it down, plank position. Strong abs, straight legs. Relax any tension from your face. Bring both knees down, straight one leg, keeping one on the floor, straight the opposite, keep flowing. There you go. One more time each side. Hold, plank position. Straight back. Press those abs against the spine. Bring both knees down, rest in child's pose. Rock those hips from side to side. Crown of the head rooting towards the earth. Feel your hips melting onto the heels, pressing the hands on the floor. Release the pose, come back to plank. One round of alternating knee up, the other down. Choices to keep one knee on the ground at all times, or hold plank. Go on your own pace. One more round, forearm plank. Round your forearms, look forward. Choice to pulsate the heels towards the end of the room. Good news, we are almost done. Oh yeah, keep going. One more breath. Exhale completely and release your knees. Sit on child's pose and celebrate. Oh yeah, one more beautiful workout is complete. Celebration. Stay here and rest as long as you need.